Okay, so time to do some Christmas. This has the Christmas vibe of the unboxing, and this is a fun product that I haven't opened yet, and I was very curious. This is a digital drum. So what it does, maybe there is a kid in your family that wants to start playing drums, or they want to practice and you don't really want to buy them drums because besides being like more more expensive and loud, you can have this because it doesn't you don't need to have like a big drums out there. Can be like an introduction to see if they really like the instrument or not. And also they can use headphones, or you can use headphones when you're using it, which is great because you're not going to have, it's not going to bother anybody, especially at the beginning. I used to be a voice teacher, and it can be very annoying for members of the family to have someone practicing, especially drums. So let's see what we have here. So let's open it up. Okay. So here we have a USB cable. Then we have a baggie where we're going to put everything. Then we have the portable electronic drum pad, the guide right here. And here we have this pad. So let me see. I need to make some room because it's a little bit big. I'm going to come back to the bag to the box in a second. So here it is. This is interesting. However, guys, I'm sure that some of you will be wondering, some of you who are musicians might be wondering the same thing that I was wondering, if it has a MIDI connection. So MIDI connection would allow you to connect it to your computer and use it as a virtual instrument. But it doesn't have one, okay? So it's not a professional instrument. It doesn't have a MIDI, so that's why I don't consider it a professional instrument. It's more like a game, I would say, or something for someone to really start. But it doesn't have a MIDI connection, okay? But I say it's perfect for kids. And me, as a former music teacher, I know that many people just need to experiment a little bit with an instrument to see if that's what they really want to do. So sometimes I got many students that were like from one instrument to another. So I think it's good to start with something like this to see if you have a kid, to see if they like it before you go and you buy an actual drums, So look at this. It comes with the sticks. Okay, let's see. I'm not a drummer, but I want to see. Let me see. Here we have I'm going to plug it in. So probably it needs to be plugged into a USB to start working, and it has speakers, and it also has demo songs for you to be practicing with it. Just removing this part. Okay, so here I'm gonna plug, this is the power, so I need to connect it on one side here, on the other side on USB. So let me push it to a USB. Now let me see. I'm curious. I am curious. So it's off. Let me turn it on. Woo! Okay. So we have here let me turn this off, the music, because this is an important business. Then later I think I'm going to play the music with it. Okay, so we have, I'm not a drummer, guys. No, it's too strong. I'm not going to torture you much longer. Kit. This is cool. How cool is that? So, demo. Okay, we got enough of the demo. Let me stop it. Oh, this is a click. So this is a metronome. I want to see what are the songs. Special. Let me see special. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Oh, that's a good idea. Look at this. So Neil says, would it be nice to add lights on what to hit when demoing? That is a great idea. You know what? I see the customers here come with such great ideas on how to make their products better. It's great. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place something on a station here. Let me see. Pop. Let me see if I can play with the song. I'm not going to torture you anymore, guys. You get the idea, right? So each one is a different sound, and supposedly it's like the parts of the drums. I think I need to get up a little bit to play better. Wow. This is such a cool product, guys. Isn't it awesome? So when you're not using it, you're going to turn it off. Oh, no. You have to turn it off. So this is the demo. The demo is really cool. So this is how good it can sound when you are actually practicing. Right? Look at that. So I'm going to turn it off. And you're going to turn it off here in the back. So here is it off. So also you can connect the MP3 to it, so you can play music like I'm playing here, this background music. You can be connecting an MP3 the auxiliary. You can use your headphones here, and it has another option for the pedal, which is right here. Ah, this is crazy, guys. I just found. So it has a sustain pedal. So these are sustain pedals. Sustain pedals. Okay, so this makes like that delay that sustains the note. This is interesting. How cool is that? So when you're not using it anymore, you just turn it off here. You do this, and you put it away in this roll, a roll like this. So also it's easy to store. So definitely something that I recommend for someone who's starting out, who wants to play a little bit, especially for kids. I would recommend this for kids. As a music teacher, if you want to practice with a pad like a professional pad, this is not a professional pad because it doesn't have a MIDI connection, okay? But this is great to start out and start practicing. And I'm very surprised with the demo and how cool it is as a game. So super awesome, guys. It's a drum pad. Super, super awesome and recommended. Here it is. Hi there. Thank you so much for watching my video. I am Lorna, and on this channel, I'm posting sweet short video reviews of those Amazon products you're looking into. Maybe you're thinking about buying them. You're wondering if you should buy them or not. Okay, so I'm curating them, posting them here for you directly from my Amazon live channel. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on those bells and whistles, and you will also be able to participate on my giveaways here on my YouTube channel, new YouTube channel, and also on my Amazon live channel on my daily streams as well. Also, you can follow me on Amazon Live, and it's super easy. You're going to find the link here in the comment section below. Thank you so much one more time, and see you soon, YouTuber.